We'll take a final call.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Gejala Mikalia, ubadai pedru ia katanat penroisor, uba Sniawbhalang Dhar. Ula pensyai baka sorkar kalayo Kyntait, badan tang kembah riu spa hadu nyau spa Ngut Nongdie Madan, kabalong persya ia kecingkam jengki nong mikmat jengki Nongdie Madan, kibala banjur bagi don Palat ia kesan hajar Ngut. Ula pentikenaru, ba onsale ia ki jing curip benia na kapor syakapor, ban pentikna bagi don ia ki kot kislah kibabiang, da kaba benrap baka sorkar. Katre shitom ban wanra ya kecing trekam kababha na kabenta ban penkenria ya kinong dia Madan. Ula kuburu ba kidang wat ikicaka kibabiang ban penkenria iki dah kababancur ba kicing kren bat kicing trelang kenlong kibenta kibakongsan ban lap ya kicing penbet kibabiang.
If somebody they stop, like somebody ABC come and sit along the road, along the street, along the footpath. That is why we have to regulate properly in such a manner. There will be no disturbance for the people who walk on the footpath or people who move within the crowded area. At least 600 for the register one. There is a record in the office who are the register holder. Yes, it may be more, maybe a little bit beyond the register one, but you have to keep survey from time to time. No? Yeah, they met me, so it's a very good meeting. They request me, sir, please give us a good space. And I told them, don't worry, I'm with you. Please cooperate with the government. We will try to locate a good place for them. So be patient and be with the government together. Yes, you won't be able to get exactly what you want. Now we are trying to locate the new place where to get them. And only when the place is identified, and we will discuss with them which is official vendor, which is not.